Hello lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back to support me. And if today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the notification bell on. Thank you so much. Today I'll be showing you how to cook this coconut infused fried rice. Here are the ingredients: parboiled rice, mixed vegetables, onions, coconut oil, coconut milk, ginger, garlic, habanero pepper, chicken seasoning, and curry. I'm going to start by blending the pepper, ginger, garlic, and onions. I'm going to season the vegetables by adding chicken seasoning, curry, and blended garlic, ginger, pepper, and onions. Mix everything together. Seasoning the vegetables before adding it to the rice will take the taste of this fried rice to another level. After mixing everything together, I'm going to set it aside. Into a pan, I'm adding the parboiled rice that I previously washed. Next, I'm going to add coconut milk. I use 2 cans. In goes the chicken broth, and this is optional. You don't have to add it if you don't want to, but this will take the taste of this fried rice to another level because it's full of flavors. And I got this chicken broth from chicken that I bought earlier. I added the chicken broth before adding the chicken seasoning, and that's because the broth has salt in it. And since we don't want our food to be too salty, make sure to taste before adding extra salt or seasoning. Next, mix everything together and cover and let it cook. I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't add any water to the rice, and that's because I want the rice to absorb all the coconut milk that I added before now adding some water. Distribute the water evenly, cover and let it cook. Make sure that the rice does not overcook, because remember, we still have to fry it. Next, into a frying pan, I'm adding some coconut oil. Once oil is hot enough, add onions. Give it a quick stir. Then add ginger, garlic, onions, and habanero pepper mixture. Next, curry and chicken seasoning. Mix everything together. Next, add mixed vegetables. Mix everything together. It's now time to add the rice. Make sure you add it gradually so you don't have too much rice or too much vegetables. I personally don't like my fried rice to be too yellow, so I kept adding the rice and stirring until I was satisfied with the color. Let it simmer for about a minute, and voila, your coconut infused fried rice is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!